I'm delighted that you all could be here with us tonight as we celebrate our 35 years of service to the Tibetan people.
Richard Gere has shown us that even if a Hollywood superstar can do it, then surely the rest of us can sit patiently.
To change things quickly would have gone and caused havoc, but the nonviolent approach of telling the truth forcefully, day after day, year after year, year after year, is extraordinary.
By the blessings of His Holiness the Dalai Lama, we have built this great network of friends and supporters over the past number of years.
Oh my goodness. While we're there, His Holiness is receiving all of these people coming in from Tibet, crying and holding onto his hand and telling him that there was torture and that what was happening in Tibet and it was horrible. And it was just one of the most poignant things to see them so affected by it and telling His Holiness.
I also want to say that it's a great privilege to be here and to join all of you who are on the board and who support the Tibet Fund. You saw the incredible video of all the great things that the Tibet Fund provides assistance to. It is important, and it's important that Congress continue to be an ally.
I send my deep gratitude to the His Holiness Dalai Lama, directors of Tibet Fund, and all other Tibetans who have taught me so much and guided me so much. Thank you. Please share.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very pleased to introduce to you Melissa's daughter, Georgia Ford.
The community that she not only found, but found a true home in is exceptional. So thank you very much.